so. Closet area. I see you, Marriott. I see you. Coffee station. I see you.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Many cities, don't need to.
What's up, y'all? So I'm getting ready. Next day. Y'all, I could not put my lashes back on. Tragic, because they look good. But I couldn't do it. So we're just gonna have to be plain Jane today. But y'all, this lighting. Oh, tell me this lighting ain't lit. Oh, you ain't gotta say that, because I know it's lit. But yeah, y'all, so we're just getting ready, about to get ready to check out. Hope y'all can hear that music in the background. I'm trying to get copyrighted now. But yes, y'all, just gonna put on some Juicy Couture today. A little splash. But I'll check back in with y'all.
That's against the law.
What?
Putting wraps on your car, because technically when they pull you over, you got the color and description of your car. You never know. If you did a robbery and just go pull it off.
I know telling. But y'all, what's up? Oh, excuse me. We just pulled up at Cumberland's Mall. He didn't really even tell me where we were coming. We just pulled up here. So I'm about to see what we're gonna do in here. It's a mall, so you know, people usually shop when they go to malls.
Baby, we just came to sightsee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We gonna eat?
Now we might do that. We might do that. You know what I'm saying? I got a little budget.
Okay. Well, you know, as long as we eating, good enough for me. But yeah, y'all, so we're here. I don't know if I want to take y'all, because I really don't know if I want to hold y'all. Y'all want to go? But should I take them?
I ain't got nothing to do with that.
What y'all want to do? What they want to do?
I ain't got nothing to do with that.
Bae.
You know, if you guys were following me, I'm gonna take you.
Oh, okay, so I should take them.
I'm just saying.
He trying to throw shade.
I'm just saying, you know, if you go to Custom A04 page, right?
Oh, plug it. We ain't doing no free promo today. Hey, we ain't doing no free promo today.
You know.
Y'all, come on. I mean,
you got your purse and all that good stuff, you know.
I just have to hold this clutch and then hold y'all.
I mean.
But I can take y'all.
Nah, you can't take that, baby.
I'm probably get some footage for y'all on my phone. That's what I do. Instead of carrying the camera, I'm gonna carry my phone and get y'all some footage. Yeah. We'll do that. No.
I mean, you got an iPhone.
But then when I upload, I ain't got no computer, so it ain't the same.
Yeah, girl, you got a 4K iPhone.
But I'm trying to say, like, when I put my chip in my phone, is it gonna act like my other phone? Like, will it? Oh, if I put the chip in this phone though.
You don't even, you upload the videos that go into your camera just like the video you're gonna take on your phone.
But what I'm saying is, okay, I'm just gonna have to use this phone to edit. I've used my other phone. I'm gonna get y'all some footage, just y'all, cause he ain't no help over there. Look at him, like he ain't no help. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a few. So you guys, we get to the Apple store. Y'all, look. Oh, and look what the sign says. Retail stores closed until further notice. Seriously? So Babe surprised me to come here, and this is what happens.
Yep.
It's empty. So I guess we're gonna have to figure out where else we're gonna go.
Yeah,
But
I think it's time to eat though.
yeah, I am hungry, so we're at Cumberland Mall, so of course there's a lot of choices to choose from, but I think we're gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory.
It's never cheap dealing with you, actually.
Listen, I can't be here for the Cheesecake Factory and not eat the Cheesecake Factory. So, yeah, I just had to check in with y'all, let y'all know, like, we couldn't even come get my MacBook. I'm trying for y'all. I'm trying for y'all. Believe it or not, you guys, we're still waiting. Like, we have not gotten in to eat yet. Still waiting. We were supposed to wait an hour, but honestly, I feel like it's been an hour. But I guess not. We got about 30 more minutes to wait. So now we're just sitting here in the mall waiting. Y'all, they just called us.
Ooh, can we
About
eat?
to finally eat. Yes.
Yes.
Can't wait. Y'all, we are pulling out the parking lot, and when I tell y'all it's getting deep, because everybody and their mama trying to park. And I believe they fighting over. She zoomed in there.
Yeah, she zoomed in there. I told her, come on over. You know, cause she's right
Right,
there.
waiting, yeah.
And then that other car made it to the point where I come back out.
What is this in front of her?
That Jeep.
This car right here.
Oh, Tesla.
Oh, what's that?
Mercedes or that truck?
That truck.
It's a good looking truck, right?
Sure is. What is it?
That,
Audi? Audi.
Yep. That's an Audi.
Okay. But yeah, y'all, we just ate really good. And we even got cheesecake to go. So y'all, I'm feeling good because I've eaten good. So far the day has been great, even though Apple let me down. So other than that, we ate good anyway.
Hey, we did. Great company. I think to me it wasn't the food, it was just the company. It was you. It was you for me, baby.
Oh, it was me?
It was you.
It was me for you?
Yeah.
Y'all heard it. It was me for him.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, y'all. We are just enjoying making the best of our wedding weekend. Y'all, people up here cannot drive. I'm convinced. No wonder there's so many wrecks. Like, that car just literally stopped in the middle of the road. Right. Middle of the road, though.
That's crazy. Let me hurry up and get back to where I know normality is.
I'm trying to tell you.
And this isn't it.
And it's too much going on today, I think. Like, everybody trying to just be out.
Yep.
And it's very evident that they're trying to be out because they're trying to do their thing. But we gonna go ahead and exit out the city because
we enjoy the slow life better.
So when there's too much going on, it's time for us to go because
G-O.
No.
G-O.
But yeah, y'all, so just wanted to let y'all know that we have eaten. I did get some clips on my phone for you guys, so I am going to insert those in this video. But yeah, I will talk to y'all later.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy city, she throwing me kisses. No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?